Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a speaker upgrade on my Audi A3. This kit is from SCR Radio Solutions, who did quite a good deal on these components, and I'll show you what I've got. Let me show you what came in the box. So we've got some sound deadening, we've got the tweeters, these are all focal audio components, and should hopefully really improve the sound quality of the car, because I've got a sub, so I have a decent bass response, but the mid-range and the high end is sometimes lacking a little bit. So use the drivers. They're ISC 200s, and then the kit I bought from SCR Radio Solutions have the Audi terminal already installed, so literally all I have to do is just put them into the car and plug and play. And that was the important thing about this kit, is that they're all plug and play. There's no damage to any looms at all, which makes the install really easy. Let's go to the car. Cool, so we're just going to do a little audio test. I live on a bit of a busy main road, but like a little before and after. I'll pull up some royalty-free music and we'll give this a little test. Cool, okay, with show the settings on the sub. They're halfway on both our frequency response and the volume. And we'll just go for the second song. Just turn the volume up. Cool, that was just to give you a little idea of what the sound's like. It's okay, it's not amazing, but that's like with the sub halfway and the sub off. Like there's really like a lack of the mid-range. Yeah, so hopefully these speakers will improve that. So we've got the sound deadening, the thing that goes at the back of the door, and we've got the speaker, the tweeter, to go inside of the A pillar up there. So yeah, let's get started. So the new components are installed. We've got the speaker screwed in and we've got the sound deadening stuck to the door as well. Let's continue with putting the door card back on. That is one side all finished up. This was already ripped beforehand, I knew that previously going into it. But yeah, just going to put the airbag thing back in. And then that side's all done. All the clips back in, panels back in. There's the old speaker and there's the old tweeter. Yeah, this just feels so plasticky compared to the one I just put into it. So yeah, onto the other side. new speaker, it's going to go here, the old one's out. I put the sound deadening behind on this little support beam. I also just gave the door a little washout on the inside because a lot of dirt and stuff collects on the inside. The car's like 10 years old, so yeah, the drain holes work basically. There's the puddle of water on the floor. So the new speaker will go in, connector's already made up, and it should just plug straight into the factory one because of the kit. Now time to put the door card back on. New speaker is installed. This post off, you take out the clip and then you pull off these two bits of trim so this becomes unclipped. And then we can then work our way pulling this down. There's a clip that pops off sideways. We only need to get to the speaker bit, so we don't have to pull it completely off, and it's quite difficult because it's lodged in here. Be really careful not to crack the windscreen. That side's done already, so we'll work on this side now. Side you can see the airbag, and then there's the speaker. There's a little clip to remove, and then it pops out. And then there's those three side tabs, so the speaker, the tweeter itself will just slide out. Be really careful not to damage the airbag. Yeah, be really careful. And that is everything installed into the doors and everything back together. And it's now time to test it. As you can hear, like, it sounds so much better, and there's just so much more clarity to it. And I didn't think like speakers would make that much of an upgrade, but yeah, I highly recommend. And it took me a couple of hours to install. I wanted to do it properly, so I took my time. But you could definitely do it quicker if you've done it before. But yeah, thumbs up from me. Have a good rest of your days.